The government gave you 50p, right? Although this is 50 cents, right? This is like European money, right? It gave you 50 cents, but here's what they didn't tell you. And I'm going to break it down because I think this is, and I'm looking here because it revolves around money. So I need to make sure that my numbers are correct for the ones that love watching, like, and our money made. The real value of this 50p, right? We just had a couple of days ago, we had the UK government is going to increase people's income by 50p, right? But this is what they're not saying. First of all, hello, before I start, hello, my name is Olivia. I have the multicultural, multi-ethnic to brand on social media and to make money. So if that is for you, stay along, subscribe. There should be a link below if you're wanting to make money. But today we're going to be talking about why they didn't tell you about this little 50 cent of why it's actually not making sense, right? The real value of this 50p. And here's why this will shock you and in numbers. Okay, so the government says it's 975 pounds a rise, right? A year rise, like an increase, right? Okay, decent. 975 a year. Okay, not for me, but that's fine. But the income tax and national insurance will actually take 750. So that works about 60 pounds a month, which is 14 pounds a week. So when's the last time 14 pounds completely changed your life, let alone a week? So I'm not here to disrespect, etc. But what I am saying here is I just want you to start thinking that, yes, it is a raise, but there's also the other side, the downside that they're not saying about this 50 cent, right? And this is the one here. So my question to you is, why are we like this, right? Because you got to think of the whole picture. Now, I don't want to be negative, but yes, it is an increase, which is great. But I want to come to the second point, which is the system is designed for you to be comfortable. It doesn't want you to break free. It doesn't want you to get you out of your comfort zone. It doesn't want you to actively find and build new skill, because the system rewards compliance, not ambition, right? It wants you to stay small. It wants you to be satisfied by small little things. But let me tell you this. Happiness is found outside of your comfort zone. Growth and fulfillment and freedom is found outside of your happiness. Is found outside of your growth, outside of the comfort of your same circle. The reason I am super, like, my body is just so much more, like, I'm much more linear than I was when I was younger. Hopefully I can put a picture maybe somewhere, some shape somehow, is because I took action. I went to the gym. At first I did 3 days a week, right? Now I am consistently at 7. Well, now we're at like 8 days of nonstop, and I haven't had a day of rest yet. But that is where my strength is. That's where it lies. And so my question to you is, what is it that, because your employer will never pay what you're truly worth. Like, I just have to have a conversation tomorrow with somebody, aside from, selling and doing network marketing. I also have offer services. I'm increasing my prices, and I'm not increasing them at 50p. I'm increasing it by 100 pounds on the service that I have to offer. Now, will she take it? I don't know, but this is where I'm like, this is my new fee, so you're gonna have to take it or not. Everybody else is increasing their fee, so why wouldn't I? I'm worth so much more, right? But that comes with practice. That comes with working for yourself, right? And so the 50p isn't, it isn't a reward. It's a reminder that somebody else controls your income. And if that's what you want, fine, perfect. But if you decide differently, then this is where the third point comes in, where this is an opportunity for you. Now, I found something that works instead, where I can work on skills. I can work on getting better at a skill set. I can also change and direct and focus on things that I want to change. We always say what you focus on is what you can control. What you cannot focus on is what you cannot control, right? I can't control the external economy of, the price of gas and everything increasing. But what I can control is what I want in my life and how I want it, right? So yes, in the job classic explanation, they're just going to pay you for what it is, right? You're paid for a minimum service, and that's what you get, right? Whereas this one here, you get paid on leverage, you get paid on skill set, you get paid on a franchise model where you use a product and you talk about it, like you use it. How does it make you feel? You use it. And then after that, automatically, then you get paid on the certain type of skills and effort that you put in. Now, I always say at the beginning, you're probably going to do a lot for being rewarded. You're going to be rewarded for a little, and at some point it will balance it out. You'll be rewarded for a lot and a little that you'll be able to do. But it's paid on a team effort. Now, it isn't your quick reach scheme. That doesn't work like that. But it's not a ceiling plafond like plafond. It's not a ceiling like stop where you're not earned, you're capped. You get to make money by using your voice, by building a brand online, offline, and you get to learn skills to negotiate. You get skills to learn how to show up, to talk to people, to be much more confident in front of social media or online, offline, does not matter. And that is skills that nobody can teach you, but you can only do, but it's even better to do with somebody else. So if you're looking to partner up with a system where a company that is based on looking better from the inside to the outside on products that make you look good, feel good. Like I am 8 days of working out and I can still do CrossFit thanks to the products that I use. Then absolutely just message me #hybrid. This is definitely a franchise model where you use a product and you get paid literally on a product that you could recommend. Then this is for you. Message me hybrid somewhere where around the thing should be, but don't let this 50p increase of a salary fool you, because you're not going to go very far. So yeah, if that's for you, absolutely. Be you, do you. The world does not dictate who you are, but you dictate the world. Talk to you later. Bye.